हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। आज का हमारा टॉपिक रहेगा टाइप्स ऑफ कंप्यूटर ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ प्रिंसिपल ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्शंस। सो द computers आर डिवाइडेड इनटू थ्री टाइप्स. The types are basis of work, size wise, purpose wise. In the basis of work, digital, analog, and the hybrid computers are included in the basis of work. Now, the size wise embedded computer, personal computer, mainframe computer, mini computer, super, and the workstations. You know that the in personal computer, desktop, laptop, tablet PC, handheld, pockets, PDAs, MP3 players, and the send phones are included. Now the purpose wise, that is the special and general computers. In the application areas in the embedded computers that are TV, stereo, remote control, phone, refrigerator, microwave, washing machine, electric toothbrush, oven, watch, alarm clock, electronic musical instrument, etc. All the electronic items have included embedded system for the processing. Right, in the embedded computer and embedded systems are used in the electronic component. So first one is our microcomputer, that is also called personal computer. Nowadays the computer which we are using are microcomputer. A microcomputer is the smallest general purpose processing system. They are designed to be used by one person at a time. That is RAM 64 MB, 128 MB, 512 MB, 1 GB, 2 GB, 4 GB, etc. The uses of RAM in the microcomputer for the processing. Its CPU is microprocessor, has separated component, that is keyboard, mouse, etc. In the microcomputer, for the input and output devices we are used separate devices. Examples of microcomputers are IBM PCs, Apple computers, etc. So microcomputer can be classified desktops, portables, handheld. Second one is our personal microcomputer, that are data storage. In personal computer, data storage, hard disk and floppy disk drivers are used to enter and store data and programs in the hard disk, soft copy and the hard copy. A visual data that you are seeing on the monitor screen are called soft copy, and the printed copy on a paper is called hard copy. These are the output. So here you have seen the example of the storage devices and the soft copy here. So different type portable computers are laptop, notebook, palm top, wearable computers. Laptop. This computer is similar to a desktop computer, but the size is smaller. They are expensive than desktop. The weight of laptop is around 3 to 5 kg. The advantage of laptop computer is that you can carry this computer from one place to another easily. Second one is notebook. These computers are as powerful as desktop, but size of these computers are comparatively smaller than laptop and desktop. The weight 2 to 3 kg. They are more costly than laptop. Why these notebooks are more costly than the laptop and the desktop? Because we can easily carry this computer comparison to laptop and desktop. Palm top, that is the handheld. Meaning of handheld is here that you can easily this computer in your palm. They are also called as personal digital assistant, that is PDA. These computers are small in size. They can be held in hands. It is capable of doing word processing, spreadsheet, and handwriting recognition, playing, faxing, and paging. These computers are not as powerful as desktop computer. palm top computers are used for small work. Wearable computers. The size of this computer is very small so that it can be worn on the body. It has smaller processing power. It is used in the field of medicine, for example, pacemaker to correct the heartbeats. So here you have seen the PDAs, personal digital assistant, generally used to maintain an electronic appointment book, address book, calculator and the notepad. Now the mainframe computer. Here you are seeing the mainframe computers. So this is our the mainframe computer. Mainframe computer can support hundreds or thousands of users handling massive amount of input, output and storage. The uses of the mainframe computers to store thousands of data and millions and trillions of data you can handle easily. These types of computer are used in the banking processing, in insurance, etc. Mainframe computers are used in large organizations where many users need access to shared data and programs. Mainframe are also used as e-commerce servers handling transactions over the internet. Now, here you are seeing the example of supercomputer. So these are the supercomputer, right? These are the supercomputer. Supercomputer are those computer which are designed for scientific job like weather forecasting and artificial intelligence, etc. They are fastest and expensive. A supercomputer contains a number of CPU which operate in parallel to make it faster. It also known as grandfather computer, you can say that. Clear? In the supercomputer, the processing of these computers are very high because the in that supercomputer many computers are connected to each other in parallel for the processing. Application of this, the uses of supercomputer in weather forecasting, weapon research and the development. Now the mini computers. This setup means this is the mini computer you are seeing here allowed more people to have access to computer. In the mini computer, at a time multi users can work together. Mini computer is a class of multi-user computer that lies between the largest multi-user system, that is mainframe computer, and the smallest microcomputer or personal computers. Mainframe computers are used to run commercial applications and other large-scale computing purpose. It is also used in banking and insurance business. For example, millions of records each day. There is the workstations. Workstation, personal computer. You can also say the workstation because on the personal computer we can work. Workstations are more powerful and higher in performance than desktop computers, especially with respect to CPU and graphics memory capacity and multitasking capacity. It's power desktop computer designed for specialized tasks. Load of processing speed can be an ordinary personal computer attached to a LAN. You can also connect your personal computer to LAN, that is local area network. Digital computer information are represented in the digital computer. Information are represented in the form of digit, that is 0 and 1. You know that 0 and 1 are our binary codes. The computer that we use at our homes and offices are digital computer because the digital computers and in the digital computer it converts our high level language into the low level language. Digital signals have two states, on or off. The off state is usually 0 volts and the high state is typically 5 volts. Perform mathematical calculations, compare values and store results. A digital computer coordinates its signals with a master clock. The clock speed determines the computer's overall speed. This is our the analog computer. The earliest computer were analog computer. Analog signals are continuously. They may have any value between extreme such as negative and positive. And analog signals voltage may be constant or vary with time. In the analog computer, the voltage of the signals vary time to time. Analog computers are used for measuring of parameters such as temperature, speedometer in your car, pressure and voltage. Thank you.